Page number 32. Lesson 8. The work people do.
Look at the people around you. They do different kinds of work. They help each other in various ways. Carpenters make tables and chairs. Farmers grow food and keep animals. Doctors look after the ill. Barbers trim our hair.
Page number 33.
Potters make pots. Tailors stitch clothes. Drivers drive buses, tractors, and other vehicles. Mechanics repair machines. Shopkeepers sell things we use.
Page number 34.
Let's try this. Question 1. 1. Listen and repeat. Teacher, farmer, doctor, driver, barber, potter, carpenter, shopkeeper. 2. Cat, cut, rat, rut, mat, mutt, bat, butt, hat, hut.
To the teacher, help the children understand that some words can have 2 or more sounds. Say each word clearly. Make them clap along with each sound. For instance, teacher has 2 claps and so on.
Page 35.
2. Match the people with the work they do. In column A, we have people like carpenters, goldsmiths, doctors, farmers, mechanics, blacksmiths. And on the column B, we have the description of things that they do. Grow crops and keep animals. Make and repair things made of iron. Repair cars, buses and machines. Make and repair wooden things. Treat people who are ill. Make and repair articles of gold and silver. Now write the above as full sentences. One has been done for you. 1. Carpenters make and repair wooden things. Now, join things from A and B columns and write your own sentences. To the teacher, make the children form new words.
Page 36. Question 3. Follow the lines and join 2 words to make a new word. Write the new words in the spaces given below. One has been done for you.
Here we have a picture. There are 10 pictures in different circles. They are connected by a thread. Follow the thread to find out what words are connected. Here are the names of pictures: black, water, bottle, bath, lace, room, band, board, hair, shoe. The one that has been done for you is hair band. As you can see, the picture of hair has been connected with a band, which means hair band. Now follow the lines and find out which picture connects to which one, and write the words.
Page number 37. Question 4. Make questions with the help of the answers given below. One has been done for you. 1. What do doctors do? The answer is, doctors take care of sick people. 2. Here is a dash. Farmers grow crops, vegetables and fruits. 3. Fill in the dash. Tailors stitch clothes for us. 4. A dash. The postman brings us letters and parcels. Sometimes he reads out our letters to us.
To the teacher, help the children form questions to the answers.